Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the cash out failed error on Coinbase in 2026. Are you trying to withdraw your money but getting the cash out failed error? Here's how to fix it step by step, just by following these few simple steps. Now before we start, Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. And if you want to join Coinbase platform, you're gonna go either to the Coinbase website or you can download the app via the Play Store or App Store. You can download the Coinbase application and then you're gonna go there and sign in with your account. And if you haven't created an account already, you can click on Get Started to create a new account. Once you finish setting up your account, we're gonna try and see how to fix this issue of cash out failed error. Now the first thing you want to do is to confirm funds are settled. Make sure your crypto has been sold and your cash balance is fully available, not pending. Also check the linked bank or PayPal. You can go to the settings and then click on the payment methods and confirm your payout method is verified and active. Once you do that, you're gonna make sure your names match your bank or PayPal name must match your Coinbase account exactly. And also, you have to check bank restrictions. Some banks block crypto-related transfers. So try contacting your bank to confirm they accept funds from Coinbase. You can also retry later. Temporary system issues can cause failure, so wait and try again. And also, try to contact the support. If it continues failing, submit a support ticket with your transaction details. And also avoid using VPNs when cashing out. It can trigger security checks. And that's it. That's how you fix the cash out failed error on Coinbase in 2026. And if this helped, hit like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.